Amazon's order archiving feature, which hid purchases from your main Your Orders page, up to 500 items, was discontinued in March 2025. Archived orders now automatically reappear in your history, and the Archive Order button no longer works. This change affects shared accounts, like those with family, making it harder to surprise others or declutter. However, workarounds exist using Amazon Household for separate histories or direct deletion for specific items. Workaround 1. Use Amazon Household for separate histories. Sign in, log into Amazon.com or the app. Go to Accounts and Lists. Your account, Amazon Household, under Shopping Programs and Rentals. Set up Household. Click Add Adult Child, Teen. Invite family members via email, up to 2 adults, 4 teens, 4 children. They accept and create sub-accounts. Shop separately. Each member gets their own order history while sharing Prime benefits. Purchases stay private. Workaround 2. Delete specific orders. Limited availability. Access orders. Go to Your Orders. Select Order. Click the order. Problem with order? Cancel items, or return or replace items, if eligible. Delete if possible. For digital items or returns, select Delete Order, post-processing. Note: not all orders qualify. Physical items can't be deleted. Viewing past orders, search by item or ASIN in Your Orders, or use Account Digital Content and Devices for old purchases.